Welcome back to the Back 40 Firewood channel. This morning, I got a text message from my neighbor right across the street. He said that he was going to be cleaning up some brush, taking down a few trees, and he had some firewood that he was wondering if I was interested in having. So, boom, my interest was sparked because it's free, it's close, it's already cut down. So I told him I would go over, check it out, and see what he had. So I'm going to head over there right now, and then depending on, I know him and his dad are clearing out some stuff, so I might not have a lot of time to like stop and film things. So I'm gonna go over. I got the tractor out already. I'm gonna see if there's anything to drag home. We'll drag it home, and then at the end of the day, we'll come back here and we'll see just what we ended up with. All right, so I think I just made my last pull home of the day. I brought back 2 more logs. I'm going back over there. Little boss man's over there playing with his boys. And they have a little bonfire going, so I'm gonna go back over there and hang out for a little bit. But let me show you what I pulled home, what we got. Yeah, it was a good little day of just making short little trips back and forth, pulling home some logs. So I ended up with a nice little variety of both. Right there's an oak, then we got some poplar, or some aspen. So 2 sticks of that, an oak. These 2 nice big long sticks of oak. So 2 more oak, and then 1 more oak and 3 more poplar. So I got a good mix of recreational wood, heating wood, 2 more oaks for heating, 2 more sticks for recreation, and then that last oak right there. And he's got a few more over there that he said if I want them, I can have them. But I'll go, like I said, I'm going back over there, so I may end up pulling 1 or 2 more home. He's got a couple more short little logs of poplar down, and there's also a little bit of oak. But I mean, yeah, this was a nice little score for. Like I say, he called me or texted me this morning. I had some stuff going on mid-morning, so I didn't get to head over there till about 12:30, 1 o'clock. And now it's almost 4, so 2-3 hours worth of just going back and forth, pulling home logs. It was also nice because his dad had his skid steer down there, so they were kind of clearing stuff out and pulling stuff out, so I could just drive over, back up, hook up the chain, and pull it home. Yeah, that's a nice, almost dang near a saw log over there, that oak. If I had a way to get it to the mill. And then these 3, like I said, these 3 poplar right here, this will all be nice recreational wood that I can split up. So there it is, woodhounds, a little afternoon of wood hounding here. This morning when I woke up, I was not planning on this being part of my day. I was actually going to come back here and start working on some of that wood back there, splitting it up. I did have somebody stop by and buy some wood today. So wood went out and wood came in. But yeah, it was kind of crazy. This morning I was gonna come back here, split some wood. My neighbor sent me that message and I went over and checked it out. And here you go, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 logs pulled back to the wood yard. Yeah, so this was not part of my day, not part of my plan, but when you're a woodhound and your neighbor calls and he's got wood on the ground, free for the taking, just come and get it, you spring into action and you go get it. Get all you can. And like I said, I'm going back over there now. I might get a little bit more. We shall see. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Stay safe, have fun, and be cool.